In order to complete the share transfer process from your CDSL Demat account to your trading account, please log into this website. Please enter the username that was created during the CDSL registration process and enter the password. After you enter the password, please click on Login. After you have logged into the account, this page appears. Please select Transaction and under that, please select the Setup option. After you select the Setup option, please click Bulk Setup. After selecting the Bulk Setup option, this page appears. Please select the execution date as today's date and select the counter BOID as mentioned here. Scroll down and select the plus option. This page appears. Please select Account ISIN. Please select the script that you need to transfer. Please enter the quantity as mentioned, consideration amount to be 0, reason for trade to be margin to stockbroker / PCM. Please click on OK. After you have clicked on OK, this page appears. You can see the stock that you have requested for transfer. Please click on Verify. Say OK. Say OK. Here you can see the script that you had requested for transfer. Please tick the script here and click on Commit. Please enter the PIN that was used during the CDSL registration process and click on OK. After you have completed this message appears. Transaction ID authenticated successfully. In order to check if the request has been successfully passed on, please click on Account Details. After you click on Account Details, this page appears. The stock that you have requested for transfer will no longer be visible over here. The stocks will be transferred to your trading account within 2 days. Thank you. Your process has been completed.